Hi everyone. Today I'm creating a new video on something special. I guess this will be a very rare video because only some of the people will upload or do a vlog on these kinds of things. So, uh, I guess you all will like this vlog. So let me start. So this is the special box. So this was the one which I was telling. So today I'm going to unbox it, and uh, I'll just show you like what and all things are there inside this box. So this is a welcome kit uh, from FI company. Means so recently I joined this company. Means today was my joining. So in the joining, so they provided me this welcome kit, and I have not opened, and I have not seen what's inside this box. The first I thought is just first take the vlog, and uh, after that to use these things. So let's start. So first is the opening is in magnetic magnetic open. So here there is a magnetic. So it will we can open it in the flip type. So it's completely a cardboard. This is also a cardboard box, and there two magnetic magnets are attached, and here also there is two magnets. And as soon as you open this box, there is an welcome to the FI family. There is a card, greeting card, stating that, dear colleague, congratulations, you are on the part of FI team. I wish you great success on your role. Promise that FI shall always be enthusiastic partner during your professional voyage with us. Warm regards, Ed HR. So this is the greetings card from this box, and behind it it's plain. So this first one, and the second is pen, and this is the pen, click pen. I guess pen this white club part is completely of metal. So two items. So it is second one pen, and the third one is book, a small diary with around 60 to 70 pages, 60 to 70 pages book, and they have given a small post-its in the first, means company has provided the post-its in the first sheet, in the cardboard sheet, and after that there is an 100 pages of ruled book, and there is a small to open to identify which is the last sheet. Just to hang. I don't know why they have given this. To hang. Okay, to take from the bag. I guess we can pull this by holding this. We can pull out from the bag. So they have given a small elastic kind of a thing in the corner. Okay, so this is the third one, and after that a small this is just a cardboard, means a cardboard covered with a sponge. So to look more attractive, they have used like this. So this is sponge, and the below is the cardboard. And after opening this, there is one smart cup, and okay, and there is an visible is the phone holder, and the smart cup, small, no, smart LED temperature display bottle, 500 ml. And we'll see what is this. So if we open this, there is ceramic glass and for the tea glass, ceramic tea glass, and the company name and the company logo. This look good with this box. So this will come as total 4 items. I am including this greeting card. So total 4 items. This is the 5th item, bottle. So it's showing 52 degrees of temperature. 52 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's showing 25. I guess outer temperature is 25 degrees Celsius presently. So here also there is an FI name and the logo, and the bottle is completely white. The bottle is lightweight, not so heavy and not so heavy also. It's very light bottle. So let's open this cap first. First open. I'm opening this cap. So opening this cap, vacuum flask, stainless steel, 304. There is number mentioned 304. I don't know what is 304. And this is the cap. And here there is, I guess this is used for filtering water, I guess. So this is made up of steel. And the inside one. Inside it is very less space. I don't know. Does it fit off liter 500 ml of water? So this so inside it is number is mentioned SUS 304. So this bottle is SUS 304. So total so on this silica gel packet, I guess no bacteria will enter this bottle. So I guess for that they have put in every bottle they will put like this sacket. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6th one is the mobile holder, final one. So I will open this. So this is also white color. So it is showing us foldable. So I'll open this. So this is a mobile holder, foldable mobile holder. It is good. So I guess we can keep the mobile here. So it is very strong. Closing like this and again closing it like this. So open and close, and it is very strong. It's not like other phone holders. So we can use this phone holder for keeping mobile phone as well as for holding tablet phone. And this is very strong enough to hold a tablet also. A little bit of weight, like there is the weight of this phone holder is a little bit more than compared to other one, and it's completely fiber material. And if you look at this, it just looks like a robot, a small robot with two hands holding a phone. So yeah, it just looks like that. So this is the sixth item. So this is the welcome kit given um, while I'm joining the company. So today morning I received it, and I reached home and I'm doing a small vlog on it. So this is all about the vlog on the welcome kit. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.